Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Here we are again with the touring. The cooling fan has seized up on this, so I took it out and trying to spin the fan is not easy at all. It is very hard. It's very hard to turn. But for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna try to show you guys. See that? And I'm applying a lot of force on this fan to make the blade turn. Yeah, this fan is seized up. But let me get myself straight. Stay. Okay. So I want to talk to you guys about these cooling fans. Now, they're both 2000 models, okay? But here's where it gets tricky. This fan right here, it only has one connector where it comes into this, okay? And that's it. You just plug it in and you're done. Whereas this car, it has a resistor, so you got to disconnect it from here. Then you got to come around. See if I can get you guys. And then you got to disconnect it from here also. And my finger's touching that. Right here. This is the resistor that goes into this fan. So you got to disconnect it from here. You got to disconnect it from here. On this cooling fan, you can't simply just disconnect it where it goes to the motor. The wires are run into that and you can't disconnect it. Whereas on the touring, on this cooling fan, you can see there's no other connections. There's just one connection right here. So when you guys are ordering your cooling fans, you need to make sure which cooling fan your car has. Because for the 2000 models, it's tricky. There's two of them. There's two options. On this one, it's a with resistor. On this one, it's without. I don't understand why they change cooling fan designs mid-year production, but apparently this is what you get. Being that they're both 2000 models, let me reiterate, they have two different designs of cooling fans. This one has a resistor built into it with two connections, one there and then one on the fan that connects to the resistor itself right there. And this one just has one. So if we come over here, this is just the main power wire and that goes to it. There's no other resistors, no other connections around. So when you order your cooling fan for your 2000 model, look at your cooling fan first. I almost made the mistake of ordering just a cooling fan for this car, but having this one as long as I have, I've always noticed this wire up here and it connects to the cooling fan. It feeds power to the fan, this wire right here. And the other one, I'm not exactly sure what it does, but it does connect to the fan also. You can see where the wire runs in from the cooling fan and it runs down there to the resistor. Now, this car is going to be down for a while, guys. Not only did I have to buy a new cooling fan, I also have to replace the intake manifold Apparently this cooling fan seized up and the engine got hot. It busted a leak around the back nipple area where this hose goes to. Around this area right here, there's a crack that was created. So this intake manifold has to be replaced. I do have one on order from 1A Auto. It will be here within the next week. When it does, I will bring you guys back and show you the product. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short. You guys have a happy, safe, and 4th of July. I just wanted to bring you guys in and show you that the Touring has had another hiccup, and talk about the 2 different cooling fans. If you have a 2000 model, look at the cooling fan. Don't just order one. I didn't see anything on YouTube about these type of Lincolns and the cooling fans, so I wanted to bring you guys and show you there's 2 different cooling fans for these. So be cautious when you order it. This one just has 1 plug that goes to the motor, and this one has 2. One right there that feeds power to the motor, but yet it's somehow connected together where it comes down and connects with this resistor right here, right there. So that's interesting. But that's gonna do it, guys. This video's getting pretty long and I got things to do. I got the grill going, but I just want to bring you guys in and show you exactly what I'm doing. Yeah. You guys have a happy, safe, and 4th of July. And when the new parts come, I'll bring you right back. The part that I ordered for the cooling fan was a Dorman, by the way. I didn't want to do a Dorman, but, you know, it's not that bad of a job to do if I had to replace it again. But for the intake, I went with 1A Auto. I'll put the link in the description with the correct intake you need. But that'll be a whole nother video. I'll get into that also. Thank you guys for watching, and you have a safe, happy 4th of July. Peace.